All right, I got your destination. It's big, but it's small. I mean, it's big, but it's small. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the Forest River Timberwolf 20OG. This is a destination RV that's 35 feet 8 inches, 8,300 pounds dry. What I love about this is it's highlighted by a rear living area with its own separate loft, then a kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom area that also has a separate loft. But there's no slide, so it's big, but it's little. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Hopefully you'll be able to follow me where I'm thinking. Let's start right here in the living area. Now, the thing I love about destination RVs, they became extremely popular last year. And Forest River, which is one of the best manufacturers of RVs, decided to take a different spin on things. Let's not make destination RVs giant. Let's not make them 45 feet and 20,000 pounds. Let's give you something that you can probably actually take on a weekend getaway if you want to. But at the end of the day, destination RVs are meant to be parked and left because it's like towing a brick. So work with me on that. Now, rear living area, comfortable couch that's also a hide-a-bed sleeper right across from a fold-up dining/office table, which is also where you're going to find your command center as well as a lot of other nice little features, including this oversized TV. Right away, you can probably see the command panel. This is where you go to check your tanks as well as your battery and also cut on your tank heaters. Because what's cool about this destination RV, you have 12-volt pads on your tanks. And your tanks are 40-gallon all the way around, fresh, gray, and black. So you want to work, eat, bam, set this up. You got stools. You want to turn this into a sleep or entertaining area, drop the table down, pull the hide-a-bed out. You're surrounded by giant windows with solid wood valances and the zebra shades, which are also another big calling card for Forest River. And right above and behind us is the main entryway to the 20OG, aka your back deck. Above that is also a great loft space where the kids are going to really love getting up there, fighting over who's going to sleep there versus over here. Or it can be storage because you also have a railing system to give you some support. Now let's take a look at the kitchen before we go into the bathroom, which is big but little, and the bedroom, which is also big but little. Now, as soon as you walk into your 20OG, you're going to see this gorgeous kitchen, which is highlighted by solid surface countertops, high cabinets, plus dishwasher and washer dryer. I love the pressed surface countertop because this is just a nice feature, a nice upgrade. They also gave us extra high cabinetry with frosted glass inlay and matte black pulls with some crown molding, so a good spot to put some stuff up top. You'll also see that you have a ceiling fan to go along with your ducted AC. Now, I like how my sink is undermounted thanks to that solid surface countertop, but it's also the gunmetal and it's stainless steel. So if you don't know the Forest River setup for their sinks, it's pretty awesome. You have rack for your veggies, a strainer, these are removable, drying rack as well as cutting board, and your sprayer is usually suspension mounted, kind of like a residential style sprayer. But they've added these cup washers, which also do a great job with the baby bottles. You just got to be careful because they do hit. But the pattern down there just looks good. Flush mounted 3-burner cooktop with the oversized 21-inch Greystone oven, as well as some additional metal pot and pan or warming drawers if you're going it, long enough. You also got the hood as well as the contour microwave, more storage up above, and right across from that is where you're going to find the Harry Potter room, aka storage under the stairs. Don't pick on Harry Potter, Ryan. You know that's where he lived for like 8 years during that book. Plus you have a dishwasher and a washer dryer with a little bit of a shelf and some pantry space. And by the way, there's an ice maker in the pantry. Pretty doggone sweet. And across from that is going to be our residential sized contour professional fridge freezer combo with the French doors and your wine rack. All in all, residential destination, everything you need for those long trips. Set this up at the beach, the mountains, wherever. Set it and forget it because you got laundry, you got dishes. What else you need? Oh, how about a bedroom and a bathroom? Yeah, let me show you those. Now, the rear of the Forest River Timberwolf 20OG is highlighted by a recessed, aka sunken, bathroom area and bedroom area, both with their own solid wood doors for separation of space. And I love it because this is where you're going to get your privacy. Your shower, residential styled, walk around with the bench seat, glass enclosure, as well as the matte black features. Now, since we do have a loft up above us, which I'm going to show you that last, that's why you have a little bit of condensed headroom in here, but you still got your vent and fan right here, thanks to the nice little push control. I got my glass enclosure, everything I need. And the toilet and sink, I love this setup because somebody can be taking a shower while somebody's using the bathroom. You're not closing this space off to just one person if you got multiple people in here. I like the fact that they added it in. And for your bathroom, high-rise bowl, great linen storage, as well as an oversized medicine cabinet and an oversized sink for your vanity, not to mention a tankless water heater. But your bedroom, highlighted by a king-size walk-around bed, tons of storage space, and some LED reading lights. I mean, just take a look at the space that we have underneath to store stuff. Nice and big, but little. I got me space over here for a CPAP machine, cubbies, 110 as well as USB. Plus I got a little light there, and I always have my reading lights from Forest River, which are going to be blue or regular. I like how they do that because the blue is just easier on your eyes. Side opening storage for my space up top, and then ward storage as well as a drawer and cubby over there on that side. So two good spaces for a CPAP machine. Separation of space. I got a TV backer over there if I wanted it so I can mount that. Bathroom with two separations of spaces, and I still have another bedroom up top. Now the loft area is highlighted by plenty of storage, its own fireplace, and two types of sleeping arrangements. Now right up here is going to be a queen size mattress with a twin bed as well. Can you put two queens up here or a king and a twin? Absolutely. Do with this space whatever you want. More importantly, it's made for you to be able to fit the lifestyle and people that you need to accommodate. What I wanted to show you is this. I am sitting up fully in a loft, and I still have some more headroom. I can't tell you how important that is because mid-bunk and loft bunk fifth wheels and travel trailers were huge over the last few years. With the destination RVs, because they're taller, you're going to get more space up here. Great for airflow, but even better for when I'm sitting up here and I'm sleeping and all of a sudden I get kicked in the kidneys by my loved one. I'm not going to shoot up and hit my head on the ceiling like I do in other RVs. To keep me warm, I got my own little fireplace, and I got all the room that I need to store whatever I want up here. Great spot for the kids to have their sleepover, the parties, the games. Love it, love it, love it. Once again, it's big, but it's small. What do you think? Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think of the space so far. Now, let's go check out the outside and that back deck. This, to me, though, is the best part of the Timberwolf 20OG. Sure, the inside is big but little, but has all the space that you need without taking up too much space, if that even makes sense. Love this back porch because I have a sliding glass door giving me tons of natural light as well as cross breeze if I want it. I got this kind of Trek style decking back here and a solid metal surround to give me some safety and security if I do want to bring the kids out while I'm camping. But the thing I got with the lights, the entertainment, as well as the power, just makes the 20OG stand out as a big but little destination RV. So you got the big space but need a little space, or you got a little space but need big space. Makes sense to you? It will after the next episode of Soap. Now, external shower right here, diamond plated rock guard on the bottom, and you got manual stab jacks in the front and the back, as well as manual jack up here at the tongue. But you do have a twin 30-pound LP tank, as well as your battery box. The only thing I would suggest, if you're going to go off the grid, take this bad boy, get you a couple of lithium batteries for the upgrade. Having the twin 30s is already pretty nice. Maybe get a bigger LP tank, because you do have a tankless water heat on this bad boy. And this is what I'm talking about with when you tow it. See how it's got the flat front? Not great for wind resistance, but awesome for having a big little space on the inside when you need it. And to cap it off, because to me, the big calling card is going to be that back porch. You got to have these awesome aluminum rims with the tire pressure monitoring on it, and those are off-road tires, and those are the Dexter Easy Loops too. And the fact that I got the off-road tires, that's going to come in handy with getting me where I need to go, but more importantly, they just look good, man. I mean, come on. The 20OG back porch. It's different, it's unique, but it's great. What do you think? Tell me your thoughts on the Forest River Timberwolf 20OG. 8,300 pounds dry, 35 feet 8 inches, could easily sleep, what, 2, 4, 6, 7, maybe more? This is your big little vacation, and I can't wait to hear what you do with it. So leave me some comments down below and let me know, what do you think of the Forest River Timberwolf 20OG? Where are you going to take it? Hey, Chris, do you have any other options? We really like this flow, but what else you got? Yes, I will link a couple more for you that I think you'll really enjoy. But do me a favor, click that like, subscribe, and notify button so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it, and it helps us out. I mean, you never know. You get home from work, RV of your dreams might be waiting for you on your inbox when you get home. I'm Chris Young from Camping World. Thank you for joining us for the Forest River Timberwolf 20OG. I'll see you soon.